Welcome back, riders and adventure seekers. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting launches in the off-road and dual-sport motorcycle world, the all-new 2026 Honda CRF 750. Honda has finally brought us the bike we've been dreaming about, the perfect middleweight machine that combines rally-inspired DNA, off-road ruggedness, and on-road versatility. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A machine built for riders who want power, agility, and Honda's legendary reliability, all wrapped in a package that's equally at home tearing through desert trails as it is cruising on highways. So buckle up, because in this deep dive, we'll explore the design, performance, features, specs, rider experience, and the big question, is the 2026 Honda CRF 750 the ultimate dual-sport adventure bike of the decade? A new era in Honda's CRF lineup. For years, Honda's CRF lineup has been known for smaller displacement enduro and motocross bikes, along with the rally-inspired CRF 300L and CRF 450L. But fans have been asking for something bigger, stronger, and more capable, a true middleweight that bridges the gap between lightweight trail machines and the heavyweight Africa twin. The 2026 CRF 750 is Honda's bold answer. It positions itself right in the sweet spot. Not too heavy to lose agility, but powerful enough to conquer long rides and tough terrains. This bike isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the CRF family. Design and styling. The first thing you'll notice is the design. The 2026 CRF 750 screams rally DNA. Honda has drawn inspiration from its Dakar racing machines, giving the bike a tall stance, sharp lines, and aggressive bodywork. Up front, you get a rally-style fairing with LED headlights that look like the eyes of a predator. The tall windscreen is adjustable, giving better aerodynamics and rider comfort. The fuel tank has been reshaped to offer more range while still being slim enough for stand-up riding off-road. The frame geometry has been engineered for balance, light enough for technical off-road sections but strong enough to handle long-distance travel. With skid plates, hand guards, and optional crash bars, the CRF 750 is adventure-ready straight from the showroom. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about what really matters, the engine. The 2026 Honda CRF 750 is powered by a 749cc parallel twin engine, borrowed and retuned from Honda's road-biased NC lineup but optimized for off-road and adventure use. Here are the numbers. Power output, around 75 horsepower. Torque, 70 Nm at low to mid RPMs. Cooling, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with optional DCT automatic transmission. The engine delivers smooth, usable power, perfect for technical trails and highway cruising alike. Unlike high-strung motocross bikes, this engine is built to last with minimal maintenance, making it ideal for long expeditions. One of the most exciting features is Honda's latest ride-by-wire throttle system, which unlocks multiple riding modes. Off-road mode for maximum traction and control. Sport mode for spirited riding. Touring mode for long-distance comfort. Custom mode where you set your preferences. Honda has truly made this engine a balance of reliability, efficiency, and fun. Suspension and handling. When it comes to dual-sport machines, suspension is everything, and Honda did not hold back. The 2026 CRF 750 comes with Showa 45mm USD forks with full adjustability, long travel rear monoshock, ground clearance of over 10 inches, a wheel setup of 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels. This setup is a dream for off-roaders. It eats up rocks, mud, sand, and whoops while still maintaining stability on the road. Honda has also worked hard on reducing weight, keeping the bike around 190 to 200 kg dry weight, which is impressive for a 750cc adventure bike. The balanced chassis means handling feels intuitive, whether you're carving dirt trails or leaning into a corner on asphalt. Braking and safety. Stopping power is just as important as going power, and the CRF 750 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with dual front discs with radial mount calipers, single rear disc, switchable ABS for off-road sections, Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) to manage wheel spin, With these features, you have the confidence to push limits without worrying about losing control on slippery terrain or gravel roads. Technology and rider aids. The 2026 CRF 750 embraces modern technology without overwhelming the rider. The cockpit features a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and ride telemetry. Other tech highlights include Bluetooth integration for music and calls, USB-C charging port, keyless ignition system, advanced traction control and wheelie control, quick shifter option for clutchless upshifts. Honda has balanced rugged adventure readiness with premium rider tech, making it just as practical for daily commuting as for remote expeditions. Comfort and ergonomics. Adventure riders know that comfort makes or breaks a trip. The CRF 750 has a revised saddle design, offering a balance between off-road standing posture and long-distance seated comfort. The seat height is around 33.5 inches, which might be tall for some riders, but it ensures great visibility and ground clearance. Honda offers an optional low-seat variant for shorter riders. The handlebars are wide, the foot pegs are grippy, and the riding triangle feels natural, allowing you to ride for hours without fatigue. Add in the adjustable windscreen and plush suspension, and you've got a bike built for serious adventure touring. Fuel economy and range. Honda claims the CRF 750 delivers around 50 miles per gallon, depending on conditions. With a 5-gallon tank, that gives you a range of over 250 miles, perfect for remote exploration where fuel stops are rare. Customization and accessories. Honda knows that every rider has unique needs, so the CRF 750 comes with a wide range of accessories, including aluminum handles and top boxes, skin plates and engine guards, heated grips and auxiliary lights, rally-style navigation mounts, assistant to the buttons and Motocross access, long-haul torque, or daily commuting with rugged style. Despite that competition, the expected price of the 2026 Honda CRF 750 is around $11,000 to $12,000 USD, positioning it competitively against rivals like the Yamaha CRF 700, KTM 790 Adventure, and Suzuki Two-Stroke 800. But Honda's advanced technology is reliability, worldwide service network, and dual-purpose versatility. Riders who want to find the both extreme trails and highway touring may find the CRF 750. Rider experience. Who is this bike for? The CRF 750 is not just a hardcore adventure. It's more than warriors who want a trail-capable machine with new highway comfort. Road travelers planning long-distance expeditions. Commuters who want a bike that's rugged and reliable. Motorcycle enthusiasts who admire Honda's racing DNA. In short, it's for anyone who believes motorcycles are more than just transportation, they're freedom. Pros and cons. Perfect middleweight displacement. Off-road capable, highway comfortable. Honda reliability and service support. Advanced rider aids with simple usability. Competitive pricing. Cons. Tall seat height may intimidate shorter riders. Heavier than smaller dual sports. Hardcore off-road riders may still prefer lighter machines. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda CRF 750 is a game changer. It's powerful, versatile, and reliable, everything you'd want in a middleweight adventure bike. It's not just about specs, it's about freedom. Freedom to explore deserts, mountains, highways, and city streets without compromise. Honda has delivered a machine that lives up to the hype, and may even set a new standard for dual-sport adventure bikes. So, if you've been waiting for a motorcycle that's rugged enough for trails but comfortable enough for touring, the 2026 CRF 750 might just be your dream ride. Outro. Call to action. So what do you think of the new Honda CRF 750? Is this the bike you've been waiting for? Would you choose it over the Yamaha Tenere 700 or KTM 790 Adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. This is your channel name, and I'll see you on the next ride. Ride safe, and keep exploring.